Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, pupunta kami ngayon sa Ocean Park. Nagmotor pala kami papunta dito. Ito nga pala yung parking rates nila. 40 pesos pala yung parking para sa motorcycle. Tapos pag car or SUV, 50 pesos. Pag bus, 80 pesos per hour. Ang haba pala ng pila pag walk-in, buti na lang nag-book kami online. Kapag walk-in pala, regular rates yung ticket nila or 750 pesos. Pag nag-book kayo online, 680 pesos lang. Ilagay ko na lang sa description yung link kung saan kami nag-book. Yung mga nag-book daw online, pwede nang dumiretso sa loob. Nandito kami ngayon sa Ocean Park. Bali, nag-book kami online. Tapos, yung pala, bago ka pumasok dun sa mga attraction, i-scan na lang yung code. Medyo marami tao ngayon. Kasi long weekend, kahapon kasi holiday. Serena. Iba yata yung ano niyan. Ewan ka lang. Try mo.
Picture, ma'am! Bayan, bayan. Optional, sir.
Itong Oceanarium yung una naming pinuntahan.
Wow, laki ng isda. Bawal umakyat, anak. Tingnan mo, laki oh. Anong isda po? Hindi mo magpapapigay ng wait lang. Ito daw pala yung alligator gar. Alligator gar at saka arapaima or piraraku. Piraruku. Ang cute ng isda. Hindi sila masyado kita sa kasi kakulin nila yung buhangin. May anak, bawal umakit dyan. Ayun o. Hi, pet! Ito, Kyler, oh. Fish number 2. Fish number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nabili nga ako isang kilo. Kyler, usog ka dito. Usog mo si Kyler dito. Wala. Let's go, baby.
Parang tamang pronunciation dito si cichlids. Mostly found in Great Lakes. Catfish, giant coramo, and black paco. Ang laki ng isda.
Brianna!
Ha? Clown knightfish saka Indo-Pacific tarpon.
What is that? siguro sa buhangin. Lumalabas. Ang haba ng isda. Ito pala yung bamboo sharks. Bamboo sharks. Egg yata.
Seahorse.
Yun yung pinaka matanda siguro sa kanila, laki. Tapos ito yung mga black, parang mga anak na nila.
This is the big fish. There's a mess.
Daming clownfish. Daming clownfish, Kyler, oh. Ito naman yung Los Atlantis. Lucky. Nasa nasa banga yung fish.
Why?
Nasa jar. Doon siya nakatira. Ayan, no? Para mga snake o eel. Eel yata yan. Mga. Ayan, no? Ayan, no? Nasa jar. Dito naman kami sa Living Ocean.
Look at the sea.
Laki. yung pwede mong ilagay yung kamay mo tapos lilinisin ng fish yung kamay mo. Hindi anak, iniyaano lang, nililinis yung kamay mo.
When the fish touch my hand, it feels hard. Fishes. Look like it.
White tip shark ba? White tip shark.
These fishes are killed by this shark.
Okay, let's go na. White tip shark skyway.
Wait, let me climb. Wait, let me climb, please. Because I want to see sharks.
Tulong yung manirag. Tinati lang yung kamay mo.
Hey! Oh, look at this big shark.
Yung mga stingray nasa taas. Kahit naman kami.
We're flying up.
Mga koi fish na maliliit na tayo. Dito naman kami sa Antarctica.
Bago pala kami pumunta sa Antarctica, mag-lunch muna kami dito.
Dito kami sa second floor. Dito kami kakain ng lunch. Dito sa Fried Rice Paradise. Ang ganda din ng view dito. Tabing dagat.
Ito na yung food namin.
Ano mga penguin?
Bilis talaga pag may QR code. Papasok, i-scan lang, tapos pwede ka na pumasok.
Open the door. Mami, kuha kaya tayo penguin. Bawal ang
Nasa ice sila, Skyler. Hindi sila mailitan. Ayun, no? Naglalangoy siya, nagkakamot.
Kaya may bibi, oh.
Lumalangoy siya, nagkakamot. Yung isa serious lang. Nonchalant lang yung isa. Swimming ng swimming. Penguin feeding pala, 700 pesos yung bayad. Bali, na yun, 4 person. Tapos, free 8-hour picture.
Alam, mahaba pila yata.
Ito pala yung Christmas Village. Sa tabi lang siya nung penguins. Dito naman kami sa Ocean Treasure. Ocean Treasure. Dito pwedeng bumili ng mga stuffed toys, mga souvenirs. Haba ng pila pagpasok. Oras ngayon ay 1:20 ng hapon.
Talaga yung...
Meron pa dito ang amusement park. Kung kayo muna na yung monster truck. Kano yan? Kano yan?
140.
Mura lang pala dito yung mga toys at souvenirs.
Magkano? Ano to?
Hey, look!
Katulad ng
It's an amazing toy! This one! Look!
Ay,
Dati kasi hindi yan kasi.
hindi ako. Dino egg. Dito sa Colors and Giggles, sa tapat nito pwede din kumain. May food court dito or rice station. Ito yung map. Nandito kami sa second floor. Pumunta kami sa ground floor. Dun sa Jelly's Dancing in Paris. pupunta kami sa Jelly's World of Creepy and Super Toys. This way.
Matilim dito. Ang dami kayo, jellyfish oh. Marami sa akin, sa Batangas yun eh.
Meron ding ano dito, kainan sa ground floor, malapit sa Jelly's.
Dapat pala, dito lang tayo kumain no?
Mura yung mga food dito sa ground floor.
Ano kaya?
Ice cream.
Ba't ano?
Kaya na daw tayo.
Ang laki ng Chupa Chups guys.
Yung Jelly sa Super Toys, magkatabi lang. Yung sa Super Toys.
Up and away! May jeep ka na no? Daming Superman.
siya, World of Crazy Crawlers. Medyo mahaba din ang pila.
List na lang yun dito, may karuban.
Tatlo po.
Ginawa kami yun.
Thank you. Patong-patong sila dun. Hindi na siya lizard. Tinatawag ko siya ng maling name. Kala ko tulong ko. Kala ko lizard.
Ayun na, tumitingin siya. Tingin.
Hindi kasha yung Hedgehog Skyler.
Sonic. Sonic.
Blue tree monitor bayawak. Monitor lizard Skyler.
This is a lizard.
It's a monitor lizard.
That's a lizard. But why it's not like a snake? It's a lot. This is a lizard.
Yeah.
That's why.
He wants to get out. He wants to get out, Skyler.
Hala pa! A snake!
Red-tailed boa.
Let me see.
Green snake, ayun no?
Kawayanan.
Green bean. It's a big
Green snake, green python,
snake. That's so big. It's a giant. What? I hear it.
Tapos na kami dun sa mga jellies. Ang hindi lang namin napupuntahan yung bird show saka sea lion show. Pupunta na kami sa sea lion show.
Si tayo siya.
Dito sa kanan.
Back to back. Ito pala yung Oko. Ano yung Oko? Oko ng pag-aqua adventure. May 315 pala.
Ito yung ano, Ocean Park Aqua Adventure.
Gusto ko dyan mag-swimming. Dyan.
Ano lang siya, hanggang 3 feet lang yung pinakamalalim kasi pambata talaga siya. Magaling pala yan.
For Chaco with Taylor Johnson.
Namalis na.
Hello everyone and welcome to Manila Ocean Park All-Star Bird Show with me, Trainer Regine. Now, here's an object that I will hide under one of these silver cans. And they also love corn. Now guys, do you think that there is the ability to find this hidden object? Well, if it yes, then say, you can do it, Dazzle! You can do it! Come on, Dazzle, find the hidden object for us.
Hindi dyan!
And we found it! So, the girls will cheer for Sassy. Come on, girls, let me hear you cheer. Sassy! 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 And how about the boys? All the boys will cheer for Rocky. Come on, boys, let me hear you cheer. Rocky! Rocky! Alright, forwards ready? Trainers ready? Set! Go! Here comes Rocky for the first ball. that we have here. And according to her trainer, she is the prettiest. Wow, confident. Her name is Isis. Together trainer Albert, say hi. While on the other side is the youngest female South American sea lions that we have here. And according to her trainer, she is the cutest. Hi girl. Her name is Ayla. Together trainer first, say hello. Now guys, let's continue. Do you have any idea whether are dolphin or feather could marine mammals? Any idea? Do they have feathers? Well, let's ask them. Hey ladies, do you have feathers? The answer is no. It's actually because of their front flippers, which are shaped like a bird's wings. See those? The term pinnipeds may also be translated as wing-footed, since their flippers do look somewhat like wings. In fact, they're made to be flying underwater as they swim from place to place, right, Sila and friends? And did you know, they're often mistaken like a seal because they look very much alike. But some differences between a seal and sea lions is the fact that they have bigger front flippers. And they can also turn their back flippers, something seals cannot do. As a result, they can walk upright while on land. And that's a fine demonstration. How about a round of applause for Sila and friends? And you know what guys? They have this long and flexible neck. How flexible? Well, check this out. So flexible, right? How about a round of applause for Sila and friends? As you can see, their body is covered with a thick coat of short coarse hair. And their whiskers help the sea lion sense of touch. They contain nerve fibers, which make them sensitive. Nice one! Hey! And they may also use their whisker to aid in navigation or to detect vibration from prey in the water. And their small slender ears give them a good sense of hearing both above and below the water surface. Sea lions, like any marine animals, can see well both above and underwater. They have a keen eyesight but no color vision. In the wild, they inhabit water close to shore, flood ripe with typhoons, and they have a preference for rocky beaches. They have excellent climbing abilities, which can easily scale rocky cliffs. Check this out. Pretty strong front flippers. Now let's talk about their swimming abilities, and let's start with Ira, the cutest. Sea lions can generally cruise at around 11 miles per hour using the rowing movements of their front flippers, while their back flippers are slashed out behind their bodies, functioning as rudder for steering. And that is the normal swim. Nice and easy. Thank you so much, Ayla. Turn the birds. But when chasing their prey or escaping from predators, they can achieve a burst speed up to, ready Isis, 25 miles per hour. And that is so fast. How about a round of applause for Isis, the prettiest. Oh, nice slide. And another one. She deserves it. Now here's an interesting story about our sea lions. Did you know that the US Navy has trained a few of them to take part of their special operation? Yup, that's right. They are able to hold their breath for up to 20 minutes and they can dive hundreds of feet. Abilities that even the best Navy diver would be amused of. And since they cannot be detected by radar underwater, they are thought to recognize and avoid underwater mines. So trainers, ladies, are you ready? Well then, salute! Now let's march. Ready guys? Up, 2, 3, 4, up to salute! This time, could you please join our sea lion friends in a salute? In a count of 3, everybody please salute and make this one loud. People on the road, are you ready? Hey guys, I can hear you. Are you ready? Now let's count. 1, 2, 3, salute everybody. Thank you so much. While Sea Lions is also the search and recovery equipment from the water. H2O. So trainers, but first, the rings. Go and get the rings, Sea Lion friends. And we got it. For the applause for Sea Lion friends. And another one. They are asking for it. So trainers, what next? The ball? How do you think they get the ball? It's a ball balance. Careful, ladies. Almost there. Careful. Steady and fly back. How about a round of applause for Sea Lion friends? Excellent work, ladies. This time, would you love to see a dance number from our Sea Lion friends? Hey guys, there's the energy. Would you love to see them dance? Now, Bego, maestro. Let's move it. Clap your hands, everybody. Come on. Now, ladies, go dance side by side. And now we were dancing. Rock and roll like this is our Wonder Ballet. And around the world we'll go, round and round. And on the other side, round and round. Now ladies, go down the boogie down. Boogie, boogie, shake, shake. And our favorite part, the boogie shake, shake. Please. Hey, trainers. Yeah, and keep on moving. Now ladies, go dance one lap. People on the road, glitter, camera, watching, and rock. Steady and arriba. And for the finale. Steady and let's go. Environments. So let's think our surroundings. Aside from pollution, there are many other threats to their survivals all over the world, such as climate change and illegal hunting. You can learn about these inside our oceanarium. Always keep in mind that we are steward of our planet, and thus each one of us must do what we can to protect and conserve both inhabitants. Visit us again soon. So take care, Aman, and have a nice day. Say goodbye to our Sea Lion friends. Say goodbye now.
Bye! Ayun, tapos na kami sa bird show siya sa Sea Lion. Nag-enjoy si Skyler.
Thank you for watching, guys.